In a stunning statement at the Milano Santa Giulia Ice Hockey Arena, Team USA defeated Canada 5-0, securing the top seed in the knockout stage and sending shockwaves through the 2026 Winter Olympics. This wasn't just another win, it was dominance. The Americans finished preliminary play undefeated at 4-0, outscoring opponents 21. 20 goals scored, just one conceded, and now they enter the quarterfinals riding an extraordinary streak, 211 consecutive penalty-free minutes without allowing a single goal. That is defensive control at a championship level. Hannah Bilka struck twice, Caroline Harvey added another, Kirsten Sims joined the scoring, and Layla Edwards made history, becoming the first black woman to score for US Olympic women's hockey. It was clinical, it was relentless, and it was personal. The United States fired 33 shots to Canada's 20. From the opening puck drop, the Americans dictated tempo, controlled the neutral zone, and shut down transition chances. For Canada, this marked a historic first, the first Olympic shutout in their women's hockey history. In a rivalry often described as the fiercest in international sport, the statement could not have been louder. Head coach John Robleweski praised the leadership inside the locker room. He called it a sign of maturity, a step towards gold. And the road now leads to Italy. The Americans will face host nation Italy in Friday's quarterfinal. The pressure shifts, expectations rise, the top seed carries both advantage and burden. But this Olympic tournament is not just about results on the ice, it is about narrative. As the puck dropped this week in Italy, fans arrived with more than jerseys and flags. They brought a storyline from popular culture. The HBO Max drama series Heated Rivalry, which debuted in November, has unexpectedly spilled into Olympic conversation. The show follows two long-time rivals, one Canadian, one Russian, whose on-ice battles evolve into a complicated romance. In arenas across Milano Cortina, fans have been discussing scenes and parallels. The blend of real-world intensity and fictional storytelling has amplified the atmosphere. Rivalries now live both on the ice and on the screen. Meanwhile, beyond the women's tournament, intrigue builds around the men's competition. Roman Rotenberg, head coach of Russia 25, has publicly projected his ideal Olympic roster. His proposed lineup includes Andrei Svechnikov skating alongside Alexander Ovechkin on the top line. Valery Nichushkin features prominently. Several KHL players are also part of the mix. Though the official Olympic roster picture remains fluid, the signal is clear: power hockey is coming. Svechnikov's speed, Ovechkin's finishing instinct, Nichushkin's size and pressure. If realized, that combination would reshape the competitive landscape. The 2026 Winter Games in Italy are positioning hockey once again at the center of global attention. This is what makes Olympic hockey unique. It is not only a sport of speed and precision, it is a collision of national identity, generational talent, and emotional stakes. For the American women, the message is simple. They are not here to defend history, they are here to write it. A 5-0 victory over Canada in preliminary play is more than symbolic. It establishes tactical superiority. It builds psychological momentum. It forces every remaining contender to recalibrate. Yet Olympic tournaments are unforgiving. One game can reset everything. Italy, energized by home support, will look to disrupt the Americans' rhythm. Host nations often rise beyond projections. The crowd will be loud, the pressure will be layered. For Canada, the shutout will sting, but it may also ignite urgency. If these two meet again deeper in the bracket, the emotional stakes will be even higher. This rivalry does not cool, it intensifies. The numbers tell part of the story: 4-0 record, 20 goals scored, 1 conceded, 211 minutes without allowing a goal. But the larger story is confidence. Team USA has demonstrated speed through the neutral zone, discipline in defensive coverage, and depth scoring across lines. That balance is the blueprint for Olympic success. As the knockout stage begins, one question hangs over Milano Cortina. Can anyone break the American wall? The answer will unfold over the coming days, but tonight the message is unmistakable. The United States women have arrived as the tournament's benchmark. Canada has been shut out for the first time in Olympic history. Russia's projected firepower looms in the men's bracket, and a cultural hockey phenomenon is amplifying the tension in the stands. Milano Cortina 2026 has only just begun, and already the rivalry is hotter than ever.